Started. Okay, so we're now recording. So let's get started. So in the last session, a lot of people were not able to understand how exactly to install your plugin on WordPress. So I will try and go over that again today, so that you know how exactly to install Tribe Architect on WordPress. Okay. Yeah. So if you go into if you go here to your WordPress, I believe a lot of people have gotten their WordPress done, and they have gotten their website up and they have installed WordPress. So if you have done that, yeah, then you're fine, good to go. If you have not done that, you need to set that up for you to be able to do what I'm going to show you. So it's actually easy. My network is stable but slow, so you have to bear with me. Okay. Yes. So if you have installed your WordPress, this is what you would see. You will get into the dashboard. This is exactly something like this is what you're going to see. You get into the dashboard, you will see your dashboard here. You might not see this pack here, but you would see posts, you see media, you see pages, you would see plugins and this. So if you have installed your WordPress and this is exactly what you saw once you log in, let me get a yes in the chat box also and say, okay, I know that you're familiar with this and I know that, okay, you have done it correctly. So once you install your WordPress here, this is what you see. Now, as I said the Thrive Architect plugin, it is a plugin. So this is what they mean by plug in, like plugin. This is what it means. Okay. So to install a plugin, what you just need to do is come under plugin. Once you have logged into the dashboard and you see this, first step is to get to this place. Then you come under plugin here. You click it and you click add new. So once you want to come out and you click add new. Okay. Okay. So if you plugin, if you click on plugin, you will get to this page. Okay, you get to this page. This page is showing the list of installed plugins, like plugins you have installed already. Okay, so once you get here, you want to add a new plugin. You might not see anything here. You might just see a few things depending, but you might not see anything here because you have not added any plugin. So once you click on,
I think I'll discontinue the product.
so once you click on plugin, once you click on plugin, what you do is you click on add new here. Okay, we're trying to install the Thrive Architect plugin. So that's what it is. Anytime you're installing a plugin, any plugin at all, this is how you do it. You get to the dashboard, you click on plugin, you click on add new. So once you click on add new, you click on upload plugin. Okay, you click on it because I've given the file. I gave the file. You see, if you have a plugin in a zip format, you may install it by uploading it here. I gave the file in a zip format, so you don't need to unzip it. You don't need to extract anything. Okay, what you just do is, sorry, I want to get the file. Let's say I'm trying to see if I could get the file, but I can't blow my screen now since it's live. But basically, this is what you do. Okay, so once you get and click upload plugin, this is where you will get to. So you're going to choose the file. That means after downloading it, it will be in a zip file. Let me see if I have it. Okay, let's say this is the plugin. Let's imagine that this is the plugin, but this is not it. Okay, I don't have it here. So let's say this because this is also a zip file here. This is also a zip file here. So what you do, is you click on the zip file. That is it, and you click on open. So you would see the plugin here. You see the file exactly here, and you just tap install now. So once it installs, you will tap on activate. Okay. You would see another page and you tap on activate. Okay. So are we getting it? Okay. So once you click on zip file, you would tap activate. You will tap activate. That's what you see. You install it here, then you tap activate. So let me see if I can, let's say this is a plugin. I will just click on install. Yeah, but this is not a plugin actually. This is not a plugin. This is just a theme. Don't worry about that. But let's assume this is the plugin. Okay. I don't think this will install. Sorry, the wrong file. So this is not the plugin, but once you click on install, you activate it. That is all. So once you activate it, you will see this come out. Tribe dashboard will be added to. You will see this tribe dashboard added to the list you have on this end. Okay, are we getting it? So that is how to install that plugin. That is what I sent. You will see Tribe Architect. The first file I sent, the tribe I sent first, that is what you are going to upload here. So as I said, you will enter dashboard. From dashboard, that is where when you enter your WordPress, you will see this dashboard. Then you go to plugins, you add new, then you upload. Okay. Then once you do that, you will see this tribe dashboard. Then to use it, okay, you go to pages. Okay, after you have installed it, that you see this. To use it, you go to pages here. You add new page. Okay, I did it that day. You add new page. So once you click on add new page, this is where you get to. So yours might not look directly like this, but you're going to see launch tribe architect. So that's what you do. After you name your page, whatever it is, you click on launch tribe. So when you click on launch tribe, you go to another page that gets to that place we were editing product pages. So you will get to this place. If you can remember the last time we were doing an edit, this is where we got to, that we started to add stuff. Then you can follow the video. You will see how I started to, create pages and all. So I also want to, so let's do a sample again. So I'm going through this again the second time, just to let you people know. So if you're getting it, just say yes, I'm getting it. Let me have that on the chat box, in the chat box, please. Okay, I don't want us to come back to this. It's not really that hard at all. Although it can be confusing, but it's not that, it's not difficult. It's not difficult. So once we're able to get it, that is just it. Okay. Because today, after all this, there's still one thing we're still going to go through, and that's how to install the plugin for the form. Okay. We're still going to be installing another plugin that is for the form, that's to collect orders. Then we'll be talking on how exactly to get videos, promotional videos, how to put them together quickly. That is for your Facebook ads, how to create videos for your Facebook ads. Okay, because the video is supposed to be a whole class on its own. We're supposed to do that, just do the form and do that, but because we have to go over this, it's taking time. So you can remember what I did. I added new page here, then created a sample. Yeah, then I click Launch Tribe Architect here. So once I click Launch Tribe Architect, I got here. So when I get here, the next thing I want to do here is I want to change the template. I told you that this is the default template you get and you want to change it. So I click on this. All right. So once I click on this, I can choose any of these templates. Now, most of the times when you see these templates, they are not really in a product page kind of template. Okay. I'll tell you the reason why I choose it. I choose it so that it can give my page the frame. Okay. Like now, look at this template here. I'm going to click it here again, and click choose template. Please, if you're not getting it, just quickly type in the chat box I'm not, but if you're following, just say yes, I'm getting it. So once I get this kind of template, this is what I want to do. It just give me a framework. So my template is not like blank. I can just build around this. Okay. It's not like I must use everything they write here. I can put my own stuffs. Okay. But I'm just using to build around this. So that is what I'm doing with choosing a template. So it's not like I'm just building from scratch. So after I choose a template here, what I want to do is I want to click on save work here. That's the next thing to do. So after you have done this, go on and choose a template, you will save the work here. Okay, so I said after you choose this template, the next thing you do is to save work here. So after saving the work, what you want to do is go to this add new page here. Then you want to publish the page. So you do this to publish the page. Okay. So you have to choose a template before you publish the page. That's just it. That's just what I wanted you to note. So after choosing a template, now we can now start to edit the template. So as I said, you create your framework. Let's say 10 easy ways to make, it's not compulsory you follow this. You can make it, I'm just going to just follow this to be quick. 10 easy ways to make cooking easier. And easy ways to make cooking easier. And I can, edit it from this side, reduce and increase the size. Then change this to red or whatever. Click on apply. If you see the video, I showed you how to create a framework around product pages. That's what we're doing. So add text here. Maybe I want to do the pay on delivery, whatever. Delivery, free shipping. Plus not sold in stores. Just trying to go through the stores again. So not sold in stores. So I do this. I can make it bold, send it to the center, and bag. Okay. This. Okay. Okay. So orange. Yeah. Whatever color you want to pick is not compulsory. It's like so. As I said, you can put the colon by dragging this. Okay. So you can put the colon by dragging this. So dragging this colon. I don't know why stuff is not being responsive. So my stuff is not being responsive. But I've done this before. So I thought how to create the upper part of a page depending. You can make it, if it's like a cooking product, you can follow this, how to make cooking easier, whatever you want to add, put your image, put your price and everything. So after that top section, you can actually, you see what I did with this template? I just like used it to build a framework, because if you are not using a template, is quite possible for your work to not be really arranged. Now, if you look at this thing, these pages are not extending to the far edge, like they're not extending into this side. They kind of have a frame in the center. So if you're not using a template at all, you might not have this center frame. Okay, your work might just be far width, like it can just be stretched out, which might not look as clean as you want it. You want something that has like a center. You can see this is like based in the middle, kind of. So if you're not using a frame, you might have your work starting from like this side to the extreme right to the extreme left, which always make it not like neat enough and everything. So a frame makes it like okay. So I can save this. So you can always also add this to add this video stuff. I would advise for every page you should add a video that explains and shows people more about your product and possibly get them to want to get it. So if to add that, you just go into this place, this plus sign here, you would see video. You can just drag and drop it here. So once you click on the video, you will see YouTube. So whatever you need to do, you just need to find a video on YouTube or upload your video to YouTube. So I'm going to do YouTube. Sorry. So I'm going to do YouTube. Yeah. Okay. So once I go into YouTube right now, I can, let's say, okay, the product I want to use is let's say one product can I use? That's a vegetable cutter. Vegetable. Okay. So once I search this up, I can find the product. Let's say any of this. If I want to upload, you just go to this sign here. You click on create and you see upload video. That means if you have a video of the video you want to put on your page, on your system, maybe created and everything, you can upload. But if you can find the video on YouTube, all you need is the YouTube link. So I could get, let's say I'm getting something like this, clicking it. So once I click it, what I just need to do is copy this link on top here. Click on copy, go to my drive, paste it here inside this URL box. I'm going to copy this out.
Wait, I know you're about to watch a video right now, but if you're from my
Sorry. Okay, so we have 10 minutes till we spend 40 minutes in the session, so we might have to come in again. So let me just quickly get to, so you paste the video here. Okay. So once you paste the video, yeah, you're going to see it. It's going to show up here. So you can have your videos, people can watch it as they are checking your product page. So you can also, below that main session, you just add text, pictures, videos, more pictures of your products. That's what you put there. Then the last key factor you should learn how to create from a page is a form. You need to learn how to create a form under your page. Okay, you need to learn how to create a form under your page. So what you do is you click on this element. First of all, you want to put an header or a text, whatever it is, under your page. I don't know why this thing is not okay. So what you put is fill in the form below to order. So you let them know if there's any other instruction you want them to get, you can put it. So you make this bold here, then put it to the center. So you want them to know that, okay, they are filling a form. So I will teach you how to install the form. So to install the form, the first thing we want to do is install the plugin for the form. So the plugin for the form we'll be using is called Gravity. Okay, Gravity is the plugin we'll be using for the form. So what is the form? Like if your product, you're selling a product where they're going to fill in their name, orders and everything, so you can get all the details for delivery. This is after you design your product, you would want to put that. Also, I want to show you before we do that, because we'll have to join the class again, because you see our timer is running out. So you have to join the class again. So I will start again. So before I go into creating a form, you can always add this. When you go to this page, you can always check this. You can always see two things that I like to add is you can always add testimonial to you would see it here. Well, I don't know why this page decided to frustrate me. So now look at it. So this is testimonial template. So you would see like customers giving review. It's just like a template. Let me put this here. You will see a lot before Once you open it, you see a lot. So this is what it's like. You know, you can upload pictures and write good stuff about your product. So people will actually love to see testimonials about your product. So any product you are putting, you should create testimonials of your product. Okay, write something yourself, put a name, put an maybe like something. You can put Lagos, Nigeria. You can put Abuja. You can put Asaba. You can put places that are not really that popular, so that people would feel the need that this is real. This is something. So testimonials really works a lot. People want to know that other people have been in the situation and have used the product and they are satisfied with the result. So after that, you should always add that too as you are creating your product page. So add a lot of images. I think the last lesson you will see how to create the upper version. These things I'm doing, you will see it in the last video. Okay, so please refer to that. Then this is for the below. You can get this done. So after that is to put the form. So you want to create fill in the form to order. So for you to do that, you want to add a plugin. So as I said, you go to this dashboard. This is your dashboard. You click on plugins. Okay. Once you click on plugins, we want to add the Gravity plugin. Okay, that's what we are going to be using to create our form, Gravity plugin. You click on add new. Okay. So once you click on add new, you click on upload plugin. So I'll be sending the Gravity plugin to the group. So you choose file. So I should have it here. Okay, DEF G. So this is it. Okay, I think this is it. Yep, so we're back in for under 40 minutes. So I want us to quickly get this done. I think we'll have to do the video session in the next class. Let's just do this. So from there, you'll be able to create your product pages and add your form and get it ready, okay? So you'll be able to add your form and get it ready. Pending the next class. The next class will be on videos. And we might have a class tomorrow and next tomorrow so we can cover up fast. I want people to start working on importing, testing, importing products because that's the main work we have for this class and all. So you click your Gravity plugin here. All right. So you click on install. You choose the file. So it's not really complex. Okay. But you have to be attentive to this particular part that's creating the form because it can be confusing. Okay. So it can be confusing. So you see, this is what I was saying about the activate. So if you're installing the Thrive Architect, you will see this installing plugin, blah, blah, blah. Then you see activate plugin. This is what you will see when you're installing and uploading the Thrive Architect plugin too. So you just upload the zip file. So you click on activate. Okay. So you can see plugin activated. So once you click that, you get to this page, you'll see Gravity forms and whatever. So once it's installed, there's something that'll be added to this, your left bar. Okay, you will see forms here. Once you have it installed, this is how you know it is installed. You will see forms. Okay, so what we want to do is click on forms, new form. Okay, we want to create a new form. Please, if you're getting it, just put the yes in the chat box. Let me know you're getting it. Okay, so today is not a waste of time. Okay, so once you get here, it will give you license key. Just click on next. Don't need to put anything, okay, in it. So once you click on next, it will provide valid license key. Just click I understand the risk of not providing a valid license key and click on next. Okay, so keep background update enabled. You might turn off background. Updates will only be available if you have an license key. So whatever you choose, just click on next. No big deals about it. So select a currency. Just select US dollar. Basically, this is not the currency of your